Previously. The boys are headed to the back nine, down by one stroke with one goal. Break even par. Every hole became a must-win as pressure, clutch shots, and momentum swings took over the round. What happened next had them fighting until the very last putt. Did the boys complete the comeback or fall just short? Again?
Pare, ano eagle? Yan! Alam Dendes, good yan, good yan. Good yan, super good. Nice one.
Ito. I-chip mo na lang, Joel.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
For this hole.
Kailangan medyo distance.
Oh, that's good. That's better.
Ida-drive ko ba to? Pareho maganda na.
Sige. Sabi nga nila, collect and collect then select.
Boto mo yun ng high school boss ha.
Hindi boss. Stick to one ang moto ko nun. Uy, medyo delix.
Okay, sacrifice.
Maganda.
Maluwag na. Okay. Born ready. Came all the way from Malaysia. To the pool. Pang ano to? PlayStation tong shot ko ah. Maganda.
Huh?
Ay, pangit.
Bruh.
Go get it. JR lang, brother. De, luwagan mo lang. Yan. Short. Go! Go!
Pero okay.
Naganda. Diyan ang target ko talaga, boss.
Hulol! Sige, konti pa.
Gulong.
Ay.
Ganda to. Maganda to. Shoot mo na, please. Ganda to.
That's it. Ay, sobra. Give it a chance. Birdie off the green.
Okay. Rolling, sir.
Yes, sir. Don't make it short.
Hindi short yan. Uy!
Oh, right to left.
Bruh.
Kulang pa.
Aray ko. Dale.
Come on!
Over. Emotional damage.
Nice drive. Alright. Okay. Safe.
Malayo yun.
Okay lang.
Pwede yan.
Okay lang, okay.
Okay.
To the right. Hey, 2 over. Whitey. Hole 11. Let's go, bro. Bawas dugo.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Let's get it. What? A draw. Come on, draw. Pwede konti. Pwede konti. Okay. The Sawarika shot. Sawarika. Get in there. Get in there.
Kick right.
Ako, kiklip pa.
Yan! Beauty. Beautiful birdie Jensen!
Okay. I think it's a 7. No. Parang 6 feet nga lang. 6 feet putt. 4 birdie. Come on, Miguel Tabuena.
Okay.
Gay! Huh? Mali. Game pala sasabihin ko. Game. Okay. Part 2. Never leave it short, bro. Never. Remember the rule.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Ano na yan?
Okay, Kadi ready. Hindi, medyo charge to.
Medyo. May
Lagpas
kabagalan
na more than 1 foot.
Yeah, dapat.
Sige, mabilis, hindi. Tama ba to?
Hindi mabagal.
Mabagal to?
Ang hina, boss! Par.
Kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo
Oh my God. That was our chance, bro.
ang minamahal ko.
Masakit. Good to. Hole in 1. Please. On yan, on.
Left turn.
I'll give you another chance.
A little bit drizzle. 30. Let's get this. Donation.
Hole in 1 mo, boss.
Ulol!
Draw it. Okay.
Birdie putt again. Birdie putt by Miguel Tabuena.
Mabagal. Kanan ng ball mark ginawa ko pre. Dahil sa atin yun. Come on, long putt, come on.
Wow! What a read, bro.
Pwede mo lang yan, post.
Disapprove.
No problem.
Wala pa English. Si ate rin. Ubus na yun. Baon. Too white.
Another birdie chance. Get this.
Okay, boys. Come on.
A few moments later.
Naku, paling yung patbo, boss.
Ako ng putter.
Tap it in. Uy, Scotty ba yun? Yun, at least may safe. Too much lang sa right left, boss.
Kick right.
Oh, wait lang.
Oh, shit.
Anak ka ng ku.
Stop. It's okay.
Baliw na.
Another one.
Yun.
Nice one.
Thanks, Ferds.
Where is it? Okay. Luwag. Luwag and enjoy.
Yun. Missing ko.
Luwag and just enjoy the weather. Enjoy the company. Without.
Huli. Ay, huli. Go, go, go.
Taproot.
Ganda, ganda. Maganda din.
Pretty. Mandit na yan.
Hold the finish.
Maganda to.
Go. Go.
Hapos pa. Okay lang.
Yan.
Lakas.
Bye.
Bite, boss. Medyo malakas.
Left.
Bite. Yawa mo na, oy! Maganda pa yan eh.
Balik yan. Yan.
Maganda pa eh.
Ganda.
Baka maganda pa eh.
Go.
Uy. Uy, stop. I think we'll use that.
For birdie.
Get this, Chaz.
Go.
Got this, Ferds. You got it. You got it. Third try. Birdie chance.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Get this. Paina lang! Sabaru!
Ay, no. Isa sa atin magkaroon ng magandang tira para bumalik ang energy. Tennis na lang. Ay, ganito. Hindi healthy. Hindi na healthy to.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
This fairway is tight. Okay. Too tight.
Oh, di ba? Nice shot. Perfect.
Making up from tomorrow.
That's the day.
Shot.
Ako.
Ang flag andito banda. Dito. Gaganon yun. Ink. Somewhere here. Malayo pa. Sa bangin.
Shape shot. Tago. Dog leg left. Making a draw. Uy, to ball. But it's okay. We have one good shape shot.
Anak ka ng
We have one safe. No problem, boss.
anak ka ng pu.
100 yards left. Nice shot, Mr. Marquise. Love Lemon. John Wick.
Joel.
Yan!
Nice shot.
Kick left.
Kick left. Left.
One pa. Sige pa.
Roll it.
On.
Galing.
Another.
Yan.
Roll it.
Behind lang.
Roll it.
Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
Chaparoo. Puro top in par. Ba yan? Masasabi mo? 3 holes to go. 3 over.
Birdie it all.
Including handicap to. Ano masabi mo? Natatawa ka mo.
Niwala lang siya. Nakaka-birdie pa.
Ba't natatawa lahat ng mga kasama na? Tin.
Pa-whitey-whitey pa tayo. Pa-whitey-whitey pa tayo.
Over.
One miracle shot. One miracle shot. Just one. Just one. Not two. One.
Uy, yun na naman ako.
Dalawang beses na yan!
Joel,
Yes, sir.
buka ka na ng chicken.
Yan. Get this hole in one.
Okay.
Yan, okay na yan. Okay yan.
Eto, maganda to. Ay. Mali sa club nakatutok.
Too much left. Dito na dapat eh, Mateo.
Bruh.
Plenty of green to work with. You got this. Maganda. 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 Okay.
3 over, remember. 4 over kahapon.
Handicap 2 isusunod.
Left edge.
Medyo sa bola ba?
Anong basa mo, Joel?
Yu-
Oh my God!
Manlaki. Manlaki. Come on. Basic.
Yes.
Tubol!
Last hole eh. Ano iisipin?
May chance talaga ma-birdie natin yan.
Okay.
Short par 5.
O di dapat
Challenge.
birdie natin to dapat. Ay, ako iniisip ko pare. Yung crispy pata.
Ayaw di ma.
Tsaka yung
Isipin mo, yung chop suey.
chop suey. Gulay na ako sa bahay.
Hulol!
Ito. Itong butas na to, impacto na rin kami dito kahapon.
Yun.
Walang naka-fairway.
Ito na to.
Hindi natin alam. One good shot lang talaga. Ganyan talaga sa golf. Tulad niyan.
Okay.
Tulad niyan.
Okay na. May chance na tayo. Okay, may chance na.
Hit this, boys.
Tulad nun.
May chance na. Pero ako niyan.
Tulad nun. Mga ganon. Ganon kailangan natin.
Parang santong ni Mas.
So, sayang.
There you go. Up, four. Okay.
Okay na yan.
We're good. We're good.
Okay. Okay yan.
We need aerial. Like fireworks, bro.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Yan.
Two right.
Ay, peram na lang ako niyan, Joel.
Igitna mo lang, sir.
That would roll for the
Igitna mo lang, brother.
carry.
Oh, no.
Parang pat.
Haba yung airtime nun, ha? Haba yung airtime mo, ha? Sinulit mo masyado yung ano. Sinulit mo masyado yung film. Okay. Third shot.
More. Roll it.
No need for flop shot, fancy. Ano na, maganda naman yung loft nung ano mo eh. Normal shot lang, bro. Kasi may bunker and it's big. Flap eh. Flap eh.
Go.
Ay, go!
Go. Fringe din.
Masyado malaki.
Boss, ano ba iniisip natin dito?
Malaki. Side kick. Masyado bigay ko ba't? Bahala na.
Oh!
I try my best. I think that's a good line. I think that's the line.
Tubol.
Okay. 5 over, last hole. Broski, anong nararamdaman mo? Anong laman ngayon ng utak mo ngayon?
Aim for par.
Aim for par.
Score as yesterday.
Still, no. 5 over na tayo today. Yesterday is 4 over.
Eh di balik sa score nyo from yung sa una nyong game.
Okay. Oo nga. Hindi, pero 8 over.
Atras.
Let's go. Yun.
Hindi ako papahag na hindi birdie chance to.
Nice. Oh, taas pa ng roll. Ay, ng bounce. Come on, Ferdy. Ito na yan eh. Golf season natin, pare. Yan na natin. Let's get this. End this right. Okay. Tigas na. Tigas na, matigas na.
Swing away. That's good.
Ganda.
Okay.
Ganda, maganda.
Hybrid and bakal. Nyo, pasok nyo ha. Pag sa akin nyo na naman pinapasan nyo.
Daddy, chill.
Ang mga kargahin nyo. Pasok mo.
7 iron ako boss tapos
Let's go, boss. Yun, pwede yan. We'll take it.
Well, actually doon mapupunta 7
We'll take the gurong-gurong.
Nabangkal ba? Hindi.
Before lang. Thank you, sir, before.
Doon din babaksak nito eh. So hindi ko na mapagawin pa.
Paliparin mo na lang.
Last hole na eh. So may months tayong magpagaling. It's showtime. May shimmy pa.
Sir, doon yung pero.
Shit.
Ganda sana.
Lumabas.
Lumabas. Na-solid mo pero
Yung bola mo gusto mag-ramen. Papunta sa ramenan, pare.
rolling. Yon. Ganda. Bunker lang. Rolling.
Okay.
All out mo na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, yan.
Okay yan.
Tumira ka na ba first?
Hindi pa.
Ganda to. Ay, left lang. Back-to-back contribution by 40 Boy. Good apex. It could be.
Naka-dunk na yun ah.
Yes, sir.
Dunk na ba yun? Dunk
Should be, pare. Ano, eagle? Yeah, right? One.
Nice, nice. Nice. Good one, good one.
Nice one, nice one.
Yan. Pwede
Ending
na ulit
the-
mag-golf bukas.
Ending the hole right, pare. Ha? For birdie.
Birdie.
Yan yung hinihintay natin. Okay. Uy! Lapit na nga, oh. Lapit na.
Na ulit mag-golf bukas.
One shot. One good shot is all we need.
Come on, man. Another birdie.
How can you? How dare you? You had me at my worst.
You got this, Ferds.
Second try.
Hindi naman siya kalaban. Second try.
Okay, fine.
Sir, that is.
Sir, ikaw sakto na ha. One roll na lang ha.
Sorry.
Dapat sakto ka, isang gulong.
PG lang yung content natin, boss. Never leave it short. Got you, boys.
Nice.
Unbroken, unchosen, reborn.
Nice, Birdie.
Oh, ano, boy.
Birdie the last hole. We're back to 4 over. Same as yesterday. Kailangan talaga natin magandaan pa. Mag-practice pa.
Episode 4 pa lang. Sus.
Kaya ba? Mga ano, episode 5.
Yan. Room for improvement. Marami pa ano.
We'll be ready.
Alright.
We'll be ready.
Bale, hindi na kami papasok ng office para... Thank you for watching. We tried. Guys, we tried. Hindi kami ganun kagaling, pero we're working on it. Alright? We out.
We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser. Got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal. Haters gonna hate, but I keep my head high.